Okay, we are going to solve a problems based on our divergence theorem. This is what the theory part we learned for divergence theorem. That is integration of closed surface a vector a dot ds is going to be in all the surfaces of any of the material, that is front, back, left, right, and top, bottom. With that, integrate of those with the vector and with the ds. Here, which Cartesians, which system it is given for the, first you have to check whether it is Cartesian or cylindrical or spherical. These are the formulas for finding a divergence theorem, divergence of any of the vector if it is given. For hint, if it is in terms of Cartesian, then del dot a vector a is going to be dou ax divided by dou x plus dou ay divided by dou y plus dou az divided by dou z. Means when a problem is given for us, our vector component of ax we have to take here, then differentiate of that. Based on these formulas, here a small problem it is given. Determine the divergence of these vector fields. For the first, it's given as p, that is going to be equals to x square yz ax plus xz and az. For this problem, we have to find what is the divergence. First, you have to check which coordinate system is of. Observe here, it is varying as ax az, means it is of a Cartesian coordinate system. For that reason, you have to use this formula so that you will be getting the what is the divergence of this. Here the same thing, here it is used del dot p, that is going to be dou by dou x of px plus dou by dou y of py plus dou by dou z of pz. What is ax term in this case? It is of x square y z. That's what here it is taken. Dou by dou x square y z. Our y term means here the y term is not given for us. For that reason, it will be 0 dou by dou y of 0 plus the z term is of x and z, xz, that the dou by dou z of xz. If I differentiate here, normal differentiation, how will be doing? You can do here. Differentiation with respect to x and remaining part will be as it is. Therefore, x square is of 2x, yz will be remaining as it is. This will be 0 only. With respect to z means you will be getting as x only if I differentiate this. Therefore, 2xyz plus x you will be getting. In the same way, for the second question, it is for which coordinate system? It is for a cylindrical coordinate system, rho pi z. We have to use the equation as this equation, that is 1 by rho dou divided by dou rho of a rho plus 1 by rho dou a pi divided by dou pi plus dou az divided by dou z. and we have to use this equation. Therefore, if I substitute in the equation, then you will be getting as del dot q is going to be equals to 1 by rho dou divided by dou rho of rho qp. Here it is given in terms of q. For that reason, of this part, qp is taken as this part and q pi as this and qz as this part. Here it is written 1 by rho dou by dou pi of q pi plus dou by dou z of qz. Then substitute for your rho into q rho. Q rho is going to be rho into sin pi, rho into rho square sin pi. Here then 1 by rho, then q pi is going to be, here it is of rho square z, rho square z, then qz is going to be z into cos pi. Substitute here and then solve for this. Then you'll be here with respect to rho, you'll be getting as 2 rho sin rho here is 1 by rho is there, rho get cancels, so you'll be getting as 2 sin pi plus here this will be like a constant, so this whole part is going to be 0. Here differentiated with respect to z, you'll be getting as 1, then remaining part is of cos pi. That is what you will be getting. Then for the third question, here it is in terms of your spherical coordinate system. This is here AR, here this is of your theta actually, printing mistake is there. Then it is of A pi. Use the equation as this equation. You have to use the direct equation. If you know the equations, then it will be easy to solving the problem. That is 1 by r square d rho divided by dou rho r square I r plus 1 by r sin theta dou divided by dou theta a theta sin theta plus 1 by r sin theta dou a pi by dou pi. Same thing here written our TP, it is in taken as TR, as T rho you can write anyway. TR is going to be 1 by r square cos theta, that here it is written. Cos theta is going here already, r square is there, r square get cancels, then cos theta is going to be cos theta, then substitute for t theta, that is t theta is going to be r sin theta cos pi, r sin theta, here already sin theta is there, sin square theta cos pi plus then 1 by r sin theta dou by dou pi of t pi is going to be cos theta. Here it is cos theta. Then here cos theta is going to be a constant, so this part is going to be 0 and also this part is also going to be 0 only. Therefore what I'll be get lefting, just you differentiate with respect to theta. 2 sin theta cos theta with the sin square theta differentiation is 2 sin theta cos pi as it is. Then r and sin theta get cancels and remaining part is of 2 cos theta cos pi. You will be getting, this is how you have to find the divergence of any vector if it is given for you. First you have to know which coordinate system is of.